Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best mini cross-stitch hoops available on the market, the Caydo 12 pieces 3-inch wooden round embroidery hoops. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these hoops are designed to elevate your embroidery projects with ease and precision. Right out of the box, you'll notice the quality craftsmanship. Made from polished bamboo, these hoops are sturdy, smooth, and free from any burrs, ensuring a safe and comfortable grip for your hands throughout your sewing sessions. The bamboo material has undergone multiple treatments including high-temperature shaping and polishing, which helps prevent deformation and keeps the hoops looking great even after extended use. Each set includes 12 individual hoops, all measuring 3 inches in diameter. This size is perfect for small, detailed projects like cross-stitch, quilting, needlework, or even as charming frames for wall decorations and DIY home ornaments. Having a bulk set like this is incredibly handy for crafters who like to work on multiple projects simultaneously or who enjoy hosting crafting sessions with friends and family. One standout feature is the brass adjustment screw on each hoop. This screw allows you to tighten the hoop just right to keep your fabric taut and wrinkle-free. It's a simple mechanism but crucial for maintaining tension, which is key for achieving neat, even stitches. The operation is straightforward. Loosen the screw, place your fabric over the inner hoop, then snap the outer hoop in place and tighten. If you've ever struggled with your fabric slipping or sagging during embroidery, this feature will definitely make your life easier. Beyond practical use, these hoops offer versatility. You can use them for machine embroidery, hand sewing, cross-stitching, quilting, and even as decorative elements for weddings or parties. Their natural wood finish adds a rustic and warm touch to any craft or decor setting. The dimensions of the hoops themselves are compact and lightweight, measuring about 10 by 5 inches overall when packaged, and weighing just 7.4 ounces per set, making them easy to handle and store without taking up much space. Despite their small size, they are robust and built to last, perfect for both home use and craft classes. If you're looking to gift something to an embroidery enthusiast, these hoops make a wonderful present. They come in a generous pack of 12, allowing the recipient to explore a variety of projects or share the hoops among a group, encouraging creativity and crafting fun. In summary, the Caydo 12 pieces 3-inch wooden round embroidery hoops offer a blend of quality materials, functional design, and versatility that make them the best mini cross-stitch hoops for anyone interested in needlecraft. Whether it's your first set or an addition to your crafting supplies, they're sure to become a favorite tool in your embroidery kit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. Thanks for watching, and happy stitching!